Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing what matters. Verify your Socrates account, add payment details, and complete any KYC or tax fields. Once done, pick a narrow niche that has clear demand, test 3 content ideas to see which gains traction. Set a 14-day launch plan, publish 4 focused posts per day, schedule 1 live engagement hour, and prepare a single paid offer. This gets you actionable data fast, so you can iterate on what actually converts rather than guessing. Now you build the engine. Create 5 conversion assets: a teaser, a short explainer, a demo, a testimonial, and a clear call to action. Once live, monitor Socrates analytics closely, track CTR, average watch time, and conversion percentage to see which asset moves users. Make small offers priced $3 to $15 to lower friction, and prepare $1.49 upsell for engaged buyers. As you test, make sure to /B headlines and CTAs. Small changes often raise conversions significantly, so optimize weekly. Finish by scaling what works. Amplify top-performing posts, repurpose into short clips and longer explainers, and double down on audiences that convert. Once scaled, automate follow-ups, use drip messages, limited-time discounts, and product bundles to increase lifetime value. Track revenue per user and adjust ad spend to maintain profitable CAC. If conversions stall, audit your funnel step by step. Pricing, offer clarity, landing copy, and friction points. A single clarity fix often restores momentum, so diagnose, test, and relaunch quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.